Reeling from its worst electoral performance in 30 years, South Africa's ruling African National Congress said it will seek to stitch together a government of national unity.
The African National Congress, ANC, and Democratic Alliance have reached a deal to form a government of national unity along with the Inkatha Freedom Party. President Cyril Ramaphosa is likely to be re-elected as South Africa's president, the SABC reports. South Africa's largest political party, the African National Congress ANC, reportedly reached a deal to form a unit government with former political foes. South African media reported on Friday that a deal had been struck involving the opposition Democratic Alliance DA and the Inkatha Freedom Party IFP. The Reuters news agent cited former DA leader and member of the party's negotiating team, Ton Leon, as saying that a deal to form a unit government is pretty much there. It is going to happen, he said, following media reports that a deal had been reached. Talks on forming a coalition government had gone down to the wire, with the ANC having to form a governing alliance after losing its parliamentary majority in elections held over 2 weeks ago. The ANC won 159 out of 400 seats in the National Assembly. The opposition DA was next with 87 seats, while the populist Umkhonto weSizwe MK party, led by former President Jacob Zuma, has 58. The move comes as South Africa's newly elected parliament holds its first sitting on Friday, during which President Cyril Ramaphosa is expected to be re-elected, according to reports by the South African Broadcasting Corporation SABC. According to ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula, talks about a government of national unity were held with opposition parties, the DA, the Zulu Nationalist Inkatha Freedom Party, IFP, and several smaller parties all begged a government of national unity.